I just pulled into the siding here because Tamaraw Falls is here. Let's leave this place we call paradise much better than when we arrived. I don't know how we're going to do that. Tamaraw Falls. Have a look, isn't that magnificent? Wow. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. This is a beautiful place. Normally you would find this area open for tourists to go down and view the waterfall down below, and perhaps, you know, stop down there and have something to eat, a picnic. There's also a structure down there that provides you with some shelter, and there's walking paths throughout this entire area. Makes it quite a beautiful area. Now, unfortunately, it's locked at the moment because today is a workers' holiday, but normally it would open at 7 a.m. and close at 5 p.m. every day. You can see the base of the waterfall there, or the first run anyway, and a beautiful spot there. Perhaps even be able to go in and have a bit of a swim. I can see there's ladders there that you can use to get out, so that's nice. And then it goes off to the next layer or pond, as waterfalls do, all the way down the bottom. So it's quite far down there, as far as I can see anyway, but it's a bit covered over by jungle.